Hello students. Last lecture I had studied second lesson, that is number 1, and very few students did their homework. What about the rest? Please complete your homework and send me on my number. If you have any difficulty, call me on my number. Okay? Now, this is only revision. What is this? Revision. This is only revision. Yeah, last year आप ये सब पढ़े हो, but I want to take some revision कि आपको कितना याद है. For that, I had completed the last lecture question number 1, question number 2 and 3. Now, problem set number 2. This is problem set number 2. This is problem set 2. Question number 1, 2 and 3 I had completed. Now question number 4. What is the question number 4? That how many rupees do they make? First one is 20 notes of 1000 rupees. आपके पास 1000 rupees के 20 notes हैं, तो कितने रुपीस होंगे आपके पास? How many rupees make total? How many rupees? 1000 rupees के 20 notes हैं आपके पास, तो टोटल रुपीस कितने होते हैं? 20,000. फिर रुपीज होते हैं 20,000. 20 notes of 1000 rupees. That is 20,000. 5 notes of 100 rupees. आपके पास 5 notes है 100 rupees के. हाँ, 100 rupees के 5 notes. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. So how many? 500 rupees. If you have 14 notes of 10 rupees, आपके पास 10 rupees के 14 notes है, तो कितने रुपीस होते हैं? 140 rupees. Multiply this and you will get the answer. Now, आपको this multiplication is very easy. You know how? If there is 0 in the unit place, okay, here is 0, okay, here also 0. So you multiply only this number. 2 1s are 2. आपको क्या करना है? बस इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने का है. 2 1s are 2. और कितने 0 है? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Easy method of doing the multiplication where there is 0 in the unit place. Understand? Here also 5 1s are 5. और 0 कितने हमें? 0 1 and 2. Right? 2 0. It is 500. Here 14 notes of 10 rupees. 14 multiply 10. So 14 1s are 40 and 1 0. So right here 1. Here 5 coins of 1 rupees. आपके पास 5 coins है 1 rupees के 5 coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee, 5. So how many rupees? 5 rupees. Okay. This is a very easy calculation. You have did this last year. Okay. ये 1 2 3 4 5 digit number. Here 1 2 3 digit number answer. Here 3 digit. Here 1 digit. Okay. Now next question is question number 5. Write the biggest and the wait. I'm going to clean our board. Question number 5 is, what is question number 5? Write the biggest and the smallest 5 digit number. Write the biggest and smallest 5 digit number. You are clear now? What is the digit means? 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number. Now here are some numbers, are 1 digit numbers are given. 5. Write the biggest and smallest 5 digit number. That can be made using the digit. Which digits are there? 5, numbers that can be made using the digit only once. आपको क्या करना है, ये जो डिजिट दिए है इसका यूज करके वन ही यूज करना है, वन टाइम यूज करके आपको बिगेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मेक द बिगेस्ट नंबर. बिगेस्ट नंबर कैसे, विच इज द biggest number in this digit 4, 5, 0, 3 and 7. 5 digits are given here. Which is the biggest number? Number 7. After that number 5. After that number 4. And after that number 3 and last is 0. Okay. What is the last number is 0. So which number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits to get unit, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, but we call this comma here. 1, 2, 3 numbers पे आप comma होना चाहिए and this is the 1000. That is 75,430 is the biggest number. Now, which is the smallest number? Smallest number, which is the smallest number? You know which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? Smallest number is, don't write 0 on the unit place or biggest place, that is 3. After that 0, don't write 0 here. 0, 3, 4, 5, 7. The ascending order, descending order. This is wrong. Don't write 0 on the 1000 place. Okay. So, which is the smallest number? 3. 4. Make the smallest number. And 5, 0 and 7. This is the smallest number. Okay, 34,507. Use these numbers and make for the biggest number and the smallest number. Understand? Okay, 34,507. Small number what? Understand? Okay. Next question is, the name of some places are given here. Look here. Look at the book here. The question is, number 6 is, the name of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the question that follows. Look here. First question is, which place has the greatest population? Here the population is given here. So many places. So which place has the greatest population and what is its population? अभी देखो इसमें कौन सा greatest population दिख रहा है? 40,000. Look this number only, first one. 40,000, 87,000, 76,000, 35, 92, 91, 54, 85. So which one is biggest? Which one? 92,173. That is, which place has the greatest population? Vashi. Understand? Because this is 90, it is the biggest number. First one. Look, which number is on the 1000 place? 40,000 here, 80,000, 76, 35, 92, 91, 54 and 85. So, out of this, which is the biggest number? That is 92. So, which place has the greatest population? Vashi. 92,173 is the greatest population. And what is its population is? 92,173. Which place, Morwada or Morgaon, has the greatest population? Morgaon 87 and Morwada is 85. Morgaon is 87,012 and Morwada is 85,890. तो which place is the greatest population, Morwada or Morgaon? 87 greatest or the 85? Which one is? Morgaon, that is 87,012. This is the greatest population. And which place has the smallest population and how much is it? Which one is smallest? Look here, 14,000, 87, 76, 35, 31. Look here, 35,777 and here is 35,950. The 35,000 here, 10 places, here also 35, here also 35. Now, which one is greatest? For that, you have to look the number which is on the 100 place. Which number is here? Here is 700 and here is 900. So, 9 is the greatest number. That means 35,950 is greatest population and 35,770 is the smallest population. So which one is smallest? That is 35,777. Okay. What is the name of that place? Gaganbauda. Which one is? Gaganbauda is the place where has the smallest population, that is 35,777. Understand? Clear this one? Okay. Now, next one. Now, introducing the 6-digit number. Introducing the 6-digit number. सीखे, that is 1000, 45,000. That means you need 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. अभी we are going to learn what is the 6-digit number. For example, you know the example. So what is the cost of the or the price of a 4-wheelers? Do you know? Anybody has idea? Okay. You know what is the cost of any 4-wheelers? 4-wheeler का प्राइस क्या होता है? It may be 6 lakh or 7 lakh. 6 lakh or 7 lakh. Or 7 lakh. Okay. So what is the lakh? What do you know exactly how much 1 lakh is? आपको पता है what is the 1 lakh is? Don't know? हाँ? You know that? No. Okay. For example, what is 999 plus 1? आपको पता है इसका 9,999 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो what is number is there? Which number में? 9 plus 1 10 0 1 carry 9 plus 1 0 10 1 carry 9 plus 1 0, that is 1000. This is a 4-digit number. Okay. If you add 99,000, if you add 99,000 में आप 10,000 ऐड करेंगे. Which one? 10,000. Which number comes? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay? One. Sorry, 90,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90,000 plus 10,000. That is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and 9 plus 1, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number is here? Which number come here? 10 lakh. Now 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-digit number. Which number come? 6-digit number. This number is called lakh. this number. One another example I am going to give you. For example, 99,999. Add 1 in this number. 9 plus 1, 0. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 0. 10, 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got this number, 1 lakh. This number is called 1 lakh. How to write this? Look here. Like this. 1 lakh. 1, 2. 1 lakh means 6 digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1 lakh. Okay, you need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This one is lakh. 1 lakh rupees. This is the 1 lakh. This number is, you can say this number 1 lakh. Now, read the following numbers carefully. How to read these numbers? How to read these numbers? For example, number is given here. First number is read these numbers and note down in your notebook. For example, first one is 2,35,705. How to write this number? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. You need tens, 100, 1000 and lakh. Okay, to write this number in words, 2 lakh, 35,000, 35,000 and 700. क्या? What is this number? 2,35,705. 2,35,705. Understand? Second number is number 2. 8,003,63. Third number is 307,899. And fourth number is 9,000,049. And last, fifth number is 5,50,725. Okay. Now, look here. How to write this number? Sorry. You need. I write this for your convenience only. Tens, 100. Sorry. Wait. Read these numbers carefully. Look here. This is 1000 place This place is 1000 and lakh. Okay, read this number carefully. Which number is this? 8 lakh. Yeah, what is this? EIGHT. 8 lakh. LAKH. 8 lakh. 1000 place पे क्या है इधर? 0. So don't write any number on here. 8 lakh and 8 lakh 300. How to read this number? 8 lakh. Here is 0. So how to read this number? 8 lakh 363. 8 lakh 300 and 63. Clear? Okay. No need to write 0 into 1000 place. So 8 lakh 363. Which is the next number? 3 lakh. Here also you write here tens, unit, 100. This number is 1000 place and this is a lakh. Which number is it? This 3 lakh 7,000. Okay. 3 lakh 7,899. 3 lakh 7,000. That means 10,000 प्लेस पे कुछ भी नहीं यहाँ पे. So 7,800 and 99. Okay. Next, this is unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. How to read this number? 9 lakh. What? 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. Okay, 9 lakh. And look here, there is 0 in 1000 place, 10,000 place, 1000 place, 100 place also. Okay, so 9 lakh and 49. How to read this number? 9 lakh and 49. Okay, clear? And last one, 10 place, unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so how to read? 5 lakh. वैसे read करने का है 5 lakh. L means lakh. Okay, FIE 5 lakh. LAKH lakh. 30,000. 30,000 700 135. Okay, clear? Understand this one? Introducing the 6-digit number. 6-digit number में lakh, 2 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-digit number. Okay, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. तो फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है? 2,35,000, 2,35,705. 10 प्लेस में कुछ भी नहीं, दैट इज 0 है. सो 705. नेक्स्ट नंबर 8 lakh. हियर 1000 and 10,000 प्लेस पे 0 है. सो हाउ टू रीड दिस नंबर? 8,363. Okay, this number is 3,07,899. Here fourth one 9 lakh है. 1000, 10,000, 1,000 and 100 place पे 0 है. So how you write this number? 9 lakh and 29. And last one is 5,30,30,735. Clear this much? Okay. So this is your homework. You have to solve problem set 3. Your homework is solve the problem set number 3. Problem set number 3 is here. Problem set number 3. Problem set number 3 is read the numbers and write them in words. ये जो नंबर है इनको क्या करना है आपको वर्ड्स में लिखना है लाइक दिस. हाँ. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, read the number and write them in figure. Okay. फर्स्ट वन इज रीड द नंबर्स एंड राइट देम इन वर्ड्स. इसको वर्ड में लिखना है. एंड सेकेंड वन इज जो वर्ड्स में नंबर दिए हैं उसको आपको नंबर्स में लिखना है, फिगर में. रीड द नंबर एंड राइट देम इन फिगर. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज योर होमवर्क. ओके. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? डू दिस, प्रैक्टिस इट एट होम एंड सेंड मी योर होमवर्क. ओके.